Hello, my name is Ricky. I'm with the Nellis Group. We're here at 603 Waveland Avenue in Capitol Heights, Maryland. Come with me as we tour this beautiful home. As you walk up to the main level, you're greeted by a bright and spacious living room area with hardwood floors and a powder room. Right off the living room, you have your kitchen and dining room area with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and access to the deck. Now we're in the main suite in the upper level, which features tray ceilings and a walk-in closet. The ensuite bath features a dual vanity, a water closet, a shower, and separate bathtub. The upper level also features 2 additional bedrooms and a full bathroom. Thank you for joining me on the tour of this home in the park at Addison Metro community in Capitol Heights, Maryland. For more information, please contact the Nellis Group today.